Close-up of the vibrant red and green juice being poured into a glass. This drink is like plugging your body into a charger, except it's 100% natural. Beetroot, cucumber, and ginger. Wait till you hear what they do. Beetroot floods your blood with iron and nitrates. Hello, instant energy and glowing skin. Imagine waking up and feeling that surge of vitality. Cucumber? It hydrates you from the inside out, flushing toxins like a natural spa day for your organs. Talk about a glow up. And ginger, your metabolism's secret booster and inflammation's worst enemy. It's like having your own personal trainer in a bottle. Together, they create a drink that cleans your blood, wakes your brain, and makes your skin look alive. And guess what? You can whip it up in under 5 minutes. Seriously, how easy is that? You holding a blender with the ingredients in slow motion. If your mornings feel heavy and sluggish, this is your clean slate in a cup. When you drink beetroot plus cucumber plus ginger juice first thing in the morning, it pushes oxygen into your cells, clears your digestive tract, and gives your liver the green light to flush out toxins. It's like your body's little wake-up call. The beetroot's nitrates expand your blood vessels. Goodbye brain fog. You're going to feel sharp and clear. Cucumber rehydrates your system after 6 to 8 hours without water. It's the refreshing splash you didn't know you needed. And ginger? It warms your system, wakes your metabolism, and kicks out morning bloating. Seriously, it's like a mini detox in a glass. Who here needs this as their wake-up call? Comment me, and I'll send you my exact ingredient ratio. Fast cuts of ingredients hitting the blender. No excuses. 3 ingredients, 3 minutes, and your body will thank you all day. Here's what you need. 1 medium beetroot, peeled and chopped. Don't be shy with this one. 1 cucumber, unpeeled for extra fiber, but make sure to wash it well. Clean is key. 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger, peeled. This is where the magic happens. And 1 cup of water. Coconut water for extra electrolytes if you're feeling fancy. Now let's get to it. Chop everything into blender-friendly chunks. Toss them into your blender. Add your water, then blend until smooth. Easy, right? If you want a lighter juice, go ahead and strain it, or drink it thick for all that fiber goodness. Serve it cold. Bonus points if you squeeze a bit of lemon on top for extra vitamin C. Who's brave enough to drink it without straining? Say I in the comments if you're team full fiber. Posting tip for you. Use close-up shots of the juice swirling and pouring to make it mouth-watering. Encourage viewers to tag a friend who needs an energy boost. End each video with a CTA. Follow for more powerful juice recipes.